The curly girl method is not for the faint-hearted. I will tell you that for free. Oh my god, look at my nails. I have no nails. So long nail haters, this is for you. So I'm looking kind of crazy. I wasn't actually planning on filming today, but I'm gonna wash my hair, tint my eyebrows, maybe do a face mask, and I thought it'd be fun to share it with you guys, especially the hair. I've got like a bunch of new hair care products and I'm gonna try some different techniques on applying it to make my hair nice and curly basically. As you can see, it didn't last that long this time. I think I only washed it like 3 days ago and the curl's already gone. It's looking kind of crazy, so I'm gonna give it a wash, maybe do a face mask. So yeah, so I'm gonna go wash my hair and then I will be back. I'm back. I've washed my hair, got my cool little shower cap on. I washed my hair with the REDKEN Blondage shampoo. This is just the best purple shampoo I've ever tried. I'm not sure this is curly girl approved. I imagine it's got a ton of sulfates in it, but my hair was looking so brassy and I haven't like purple shampooed or dyed it or toned it in months. So I thought it was time I did, so I used that. And now I've just got the Cantu Deep Treatment Mask on my hair, and I'm going to leave that to sit on my hair for a little while. And I put the shower cap on because basically conditioners work better on really wet hair, so I don't want my hair to dry out while we've got the conditioner on basically. Now I think I'm going to tint my brows, and I like to use the EYELURE Dyebrow permanent tint for brows in dark brown. This is just a really good eyebrow tint. I've not used any other ones, but it works and it's long lasting and I really like it. So first I'm just going to brush my brows through before we mix the tint up. This little kit comes with everything you need. It's got a little mixing palette and it comes with the activator and the dye. It tells you how to mix this up on the instructions, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. A cotton bud like so. So it looks like that when it's mixed up. And I'm just going to take it on like an angle brush to apply it, just so we can get it in. I recently laminated my brows, so I hope my eyebrows are like not going to fall out. They'd be fine, wouldn't they? I like to just apply it in like the natural like shape of my brow. You can like overdraw and get a good tint, but I don't like to. I'm too scared to do that. I'm worried that it'll go wrong. Leave this on for 10 minutes. Let me check the instructions. It says about 15 minutes, so we'll leave it on. But what I like to do is like when I've left it all on for 5 minutes, I take like the front bit off, just because I don't want my brows to look super boxy. Like a subtle ombre effect. Not like ombre, not that kind of brow. We're not going for that kind of brow look. Alright, so I think that's been on for about 5 minutes. So I'm just going to wipe the front bit off. And then, oh that looks really weird. This eyebrow looks really weird. Oh, right, well, anyway, I'm going to leave the rest on for another 5 minutes and then I'll be back. So now I'm just going to remove the rest. That's all off and my brows are looking way better. I think I'm going to put some oil in them because they're feeling really, like, coarse. I'm going to put some of this serum on them. This is actually eyelash serum, but eyelash, eyebrows, surely it's like the same thing. This is the Rapid Lash Eyelash Enhancing Serum. I actually really like this on my lashes. It leaves them like really soft. Hopefully this will condition up my brows. And that's it. And then I'm just going to go jump in the shower and wash this conditioner out. And then I'll be back for the styling process. I'm back from the shower, feeling fresh and clean, but my skin is feeling my skin is feeling so dry. So I'm going to put some moisturiser on And what is this? This is the Rice Ceramide Moisturising Emulsion from the Face Shop. I bought this on a whim off Amazon, but I actually really like it. So I decided I kind of want more volume in my hair than I normally have, so I think I'm going to use less products than what I normally do. But first of all, I'm just going to go in with a bit of the Cantu Shea Butter Moisturising Curl Activator Cream. Normally I'd go in with a leave-in conditioner before this, just to brush it through. I'm just going to take a tiny amount to like make it easier to brush before we section it off. This stuff is so good. Just like, I don't know, every time I use it I'm like, oh, my curls look so good. So yeah, I'm just going to brush it through with, this is the Tangle Teaser wet brush. I love this brush, it's like the best detangling brush. Today I think I'm going to use this to like define my curls. I've seen people using this instead of the Denman brush, and I have done it once and I really liked how it turned out. And I was like watching one of my Instagram videos because I'm sad like that, and my curls are really good, and I remembered it was when I used this brush, so I'm gonna do it again today and show you guys how it turns out. Go back in with a bit more of the Curl Activator Cream. I think what I'm gonna do is normally I'd soak my hair so it's like dripping, but I don't think I'm gonna do that today. I think I'm gonna try it on a bit like dry hair. Now my hair's still pretty wet, but normally I'd want it dripping, and see how that turns out. And then I'm going to go in with some gel. I'm going to use the Eco Style Curl and Wave Professional Styling Gel. I'm not going to use my Brooklyn one. I'm going to try something different. So I'm just going to take a bit of that. I've actually got quite a bit. I have used this gel before as well, and I remember I liked it. So let's see how this turns out. And what I'm going to do basically is just like brush through my hair with this, kind of how I would with the Denman brush. This one is like it detangles your hair at the same time, whereas the Denman brush kind of like you have to have tangle free hair before you use it, or it does really pull your hair. And I'm just going to scrunch that section up. Where did that go? There it is. Scrunch. Scrunching is like key if you want nice curls. Just scrunch the crap out of your hair. My hair turns out good. Like I always like do my hair and then hate it and then rewash it like 2 days later, which I really need to stop doing because I know that that's not great for your hair. But the curly girl method is not for the faint-hearted. I will tell you that for free. Doing it with the Tangle Teaser brush is actually way quicker than any other method that I found so far, which is good. Like literally it's taken me like 5 minutes to do that half of my head. Like normally I finger coil it, and it normally takes me a good half an hour maybe to do my whole head. And my front pieces are literally like the worst. They do not ever want to curl. I think that's it. I think I'm going to leave it here and go let it air dry and come back and show you the results and let you know my thoughts. So it's now the next day, my nails are back, I got a little bit of makeup on, all is right with the world. Hair is finally dry and I'm not mad at it. Is it my best wash day ever? No. But I think I've got a bit more volume than I normally have. These underneath parts though have not really curled all that well, but under here I've got some pretty good curls going on. So my front pieces that will not curl for love nor money are not curled, but overall I'm kind of happy with how my hair turned out. And my brows are looking good. I actually really like this Eco Gel. I feel like there's something going on with Eco Gel though. I've seen like a few videos of people not using it, but I quite like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do give this a thumbs up and subscribe. It would really mean a lot. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.